Have you ever wondered how much wrapping paper you need for a gift or how much paint for a birdhouse? You're thinking about surface area. It's not about what fits inside an object, that's volume. Surface area is all about the outside, the skin. Imagine you're buying a lunchbox. Trying to figure out if your apple will fit inside? That's a question of volume, the space inside, measured in cubic units. But if you want to cover that lunchbox with stickers, you need to know its surface area, the total space on the outside, measured in square units. They're completely different concepts, and you can never add them together. The cleverest way to find surface area is to imagine unfolding the object like a cardboard box. This flat 2D map is called a net. For a simple cube, the net is just 6 identical squares, so you find the area of one square face and multiply by 6. Easy! For a rectangular box or a cuboid, the net shows 3 pairs of identical rectangles. This is where the simple 1, 2, 3 method comes in. Step 1. Find the area of the 3 unique faces, the front, the top, and the side. Step 2. Add those 3 areas together. And step 3. Just double your answer to account for all 6 faces. But the real world adds twists. Think about an open-top aquarium. It has a bottom and 4 glass sides, but no top. You can't just blindly use a formula. You have to stop and think, counting only the faces you actually need, 1 bottom and the 4 sides. So whether you're wrapping a gift or designing a fish tank, remember to think about the object's skin. Visualize its net, count the faces you need, and you've mastered surface area.